Hey guys, welcome to A Spoon of Life. I hope you all are doing great. As we all are going through this pandemic situation and our house arrested for a quite a long time, we can't plan for any trip now at this moment. I was refreshing my memories by looking at the old albums and thought why not to share with you all. Let's go on a road trip from Bangalore to Pondicherry and explore. Pondicherry was a French colony. In 1674, French East India Company was established, and after 280 years, in 1954, Pondicherry declared as Union Territory of India. This city is inspired by French architecture and French culture. The distance between Bengaluru to Puducherry is 10 kilometers, and it took us around 7 hours to cover up the journey. We made this trip last winter and we took the route via NH77, Electronic City, Hosur, Krishnagiri, Tiruvannamalai, Tindivanam, and Puducherry. We checked in at our hotel at 1 in the afternoon and we stayed in White Town. After getting freshened up, we went out for grabbing some lunch. The wood fire pizza was really awesome. After taking some rest, in the evening we headed towards the Promenade Beach, also known as Rock Beach. We took a long walk at the beach and enjoyed the waves crashing at the seashore. You can spend hours and hours by just looking at them. We spent nice evening followed by a delicious French dinner at Le Cafe situated at Promenade Beach. Here it comes to the end of our day 1. After enjoying the mesmerizing view of sunrise at Promenade Beach with a cup of chai, we returned back to our hotel and had breakfast. Followed by that, we started for Serenity Beach by bike. If you have personal vehicle, then it would be very easy. Otherwise, I would recommend to rent a scooty or other vehicle and explore the city along with sightseeing places. After reaching Serenity Beach, we enjoyed a lot and spent hours playing with water and other fun activities like swimming, wave surfing, etc. It's always a good idea to carry an extra pair of clothes. We did surfing, and after spending a lot of time at Serenity Beach, we were feeling really hungry and tired and returned back to White Town. Let's go and grab some lunch. 4 p.m., we headed towards Paradise Beach and it took us around half an hour to 45 minutes from White Town. You can also take an auto to reach Chunambar Boat House, which is around 7 kilometers from the main town. Then you can take a ferry ride to reach Paradise Beach, which takes you around 20 to 30 minutes. We spent some time over there and ended up our day 2 with a stunning view of sunset and returned back to the main town. It was the last day of our trip and time to pack up and get ready for the return journey to Bangalore. We started our journey post lunch at around 1 p.m. from Pondicherry. Since we wanted to visit Mahabalipuram beach and temple, we took the longest route via East Coast Road, which is around 96 kilometers from the main town of Pondicherry. The journey to Mahabalipuram was really awesome because of the amazing road and stunning view of coastline. After reaching Mahabalipuram, we spent some time at the beach and did some shopping and started our journey back to Bangalore. We took NH75 via Kanchipuram, Vellore, Chittoor and back to Bangalore. Here is our 2 nights, 3 days trip comes to the end with lots of memories which can be cherished forever. Thanks for being with us throughout the journey. If you like this video, do like, share, and to watch more similar videos, please subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Until next time, bye bye.